Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD New Zealand dollar US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out my Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the NZD USD chart in front of us right now. This is the 4 hours chart. Means I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my favorite. Okay, so let's do the analysis first. So if we look at the chart, okay, then easily we can see that there is no proper trend in the market. Market is in sideways. Okay, this is a sideways market. And as we all know, okay, in sideways market, we get opportunities on both the sides. At the support, we can go for buy. Okay, and at the resistance, we can go for short. Whereas in trending markets, respecting the trend of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities if a market is in uptrend, and we should mainly look for shorting opportunities if a market is in downtrend. But in sideways market, we can look for both the opportunities because market do not have any proper trend. Okay, and if I zoom in, the chart, then we can easily see that there are some fixed levels for us. Okay, so things are quite beautiful here also. So we can see that this is the support for us right now. Okay, this is the support for us, and right now we can see that the market is just standing at the support, and that's the beauty of it. But one thing we must understand here, okay, one thing we must understand here, let me mark the level first. So this is the current market price here. Okay, and right now market is standing here, and you can see that this level is also a support for the market. Okay, this is a support for the market. But try to understand the market psychology here. During the last trading session, during the Friday's trading session, when market came down, okay, just look at the size of these candles. Okay, market, okay, it when market tried to go up from here, okay, when market tried to go up from here, it took around more than 10 candles to reach this particular level. But market came down in 2 candles, which means that in comparison to buying pressure, selling pressure was extremely high in the market. Okay, try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, therefore, you should not buy as soon as the market opens on Monday. Therefore, what you should do then, you after the market opens on Monday, okay, just observe the price and see how the price reacts after the market opening. If possible, wait for the stochastic RSI. Okay, wait for the stochastic RSI to go up from here. Right now you can see that stochastic RSI is still coming down. Okay, let it reach the oversold zone, and when it will be going up from the oversold zone, then look at the position of the price. If you find price trading above this particular level, okay, when stochastic RSI will be moving from the bottom, if you still find stochastic RSI trading above this level or trading at the support level, you can definitely go for a buy order, because you will get the answer that yes, though selling pressure was very high during the market session on Friday, but still bulls are present in the market, buyers are present, buyers are sitting at this level, and they will not allow the price to go down that easily, and you can go for a buy at this level. Okay, so this is your first trading opportunity. And your second trading opportunity on this chart is, okay, you can see that this 50 moving average, okay, this blue line is a 50 moving average, and this 50 moving average is kind of acting as a resistance also. Okay, whenever market is trying to go up and it is trying to cross the 50 moving average, it is not allowing the market to cross. Which means that 50 moving average is acting as a support to the market, or 50 moving average is the dynamic resistance. It is acting as resistance. So your second trading opportunity is, in case market goes up from here and hits this 50 moving average, then just observe the price. Try to read the market emotion, try to read the chart. If you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average, it is about to reverse. Okay, if you see that price is about to reverse, if you see some price rejection from above like this, or you see some shooting star pattern like this, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is a dynamic resistance and it will not allow the market to go up that easily, and you can short the market at the 50 moving average. That is your second trading opportunity on NZD USD chart. To discuss or to show you the third trading opportunity, I'll have to take you to the weekly chart, the time frame of the big boys. So this is the weekly chart of NZD USD. Okay, so you can see that, okay, you can see that there is a resistance here. Okay, and market is unable to cross this resistance level since first week of Jan 2021, and right now we are in June. So it's been more than 5 months, market is still struggling to cross the resistance. Therefore, we have an extremely important or crucial level on the weekly chart, and that level is this black line. Okay, this black line is not that visible on the normal chart, but this is the level. Okay, this is the level that we need to keep our eyes on. Okay, for me this is the most important level or the most vital level in the NZD USD chart, because this is the level that is not allowing the market to go up since last 5 months, and right now we are in the month of June. Okay, so third trading opportunity is if market goes up from here or market crosses the 50 moving average, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market at this level also. Okay, but right now we are trading here, the current market price is far away from this price level. Okay, so not required that much. Yeah. But still, I just wanted to show you that yes, we have got one extremely important level in this chart also. So these are the trading opportunities and strategy that you can follow for NZD USD for Monday. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.